First of all, gold H4 time frame price is making higher high with higher low, which confirm a bullish trend. And this yellow trend line is your dynamic support. If price come down to this trend line, then you can buy again. But beginner traders are selling gold since it was at $1,800 and now price is more than 1900. That is their problem because this intraday time frame H4 does not give you clear information. But on daily you have clear information. From triple bottom 1620, price is now 1920 and 1960 is your next big resistance. And this week is third week of month, which is favorite for hedge fund. And on Monday you have holiday in USA. But on Tuesday you can expect a big price action in gold. And if we do wave counting from bottom, this was our first wave A, then correction wave B. Right now we are in wave C. And wave C has broken 100% projection level. So next target is 1.382 level, where this wave count will complete and bulls can take profit and short-term trader can sell on this key horizontal resistance level. Then we can expect a counter trend correction which can be zigzag or a ABCD triangle. But 1960 and 1868 are your next nearest support and resistance. And last week after CPI, now FOMC member has made clear that next FOMC will be 25 basis point hike. While at bottom they did 75, in the middle 50, and now next is 25. And if you are more than 6-month old trader, then price is back where it was on first 25 basis point rate hike last year. So all the seller of this bearish trend are gone. Now market is filled with buyers. And buyers next big trend is Fed rate pause, which they can announce in March FOMC meeting. Then after that rate cut trend, which market is again expecting in July or in December. And while Fed said that interest rate can go up to 5.1 and Jamie Dimon say the interest rate can go up to 6%. And since his comment, gold is constantly going up. So until Fed officially announced in March that rate hike has been ended, there is no news which can send gold down back to 1800, because these bull will not take profit until official announcement, which will not happen before March. And another bearish news is China and India gold demand are collapsing, and these two are biggest population and notorious for gold buying. And if that happen, either gold come back to 1800 or it stay sideways near 1900 until rate cut start. That is why this 1960 and 1868 are your key support and resistance. Because according to Elliott wave theory, this wave C should have ended at 1897 but that level is broken. So next is 138 projection. So until Elliott wave theory said that this wave has been ended, these bulls will not stop. And if counter trend correction start, then we will focus retracement of this last wave C, and we will try to buy again at 50% retracement. And in economic calendar this week there is no big news, and this is last week before blackout period begin. So either in beginning or end of this week we can expect price make top and it start coming down, because right now everyone is speculating for July rate cut, and that confirmation will not come before March FOMC meeting. So either it stays sideways till March, or correction start this week, then we buy 50% retracement and target new higher high till March FOMC meeting. But you as a beginner trader, between this level you have to buy carefully, because from 1960 there is possibility that it can drop up to 50, and that demand collapse from China and India together can send gold $100 in favor of seller. And weekly time frame, this last time bullish trend support and resistance 1802 and 1912, if both level breaks, then there is no resistance before 2070, and if price reverse from this current resistance zone on weekly time frame, then there is no support before 1803, because once retracement start on weekly time frame, nobody will buy until it hit 1800 level once again. So back to daily time frame, this is your main trend, and these two 1868 and 1807 are your first key support. And CPI, which are dropping so fast that inflation can hit 2% target before this year end. So Fed has no choice but to start rate cut. And after this ISM number and CPI number, hedge fund are expecting in July. So rate cut will start very soon, which beginner think can happen in 2024. That is why they sold at 1800 and now crying at 1920 level. That is why I expect a counter trend correction in gold either in Feb FOMC meeting if they give clear signal, or in March. And to end all of your confusion, daily and H1 time frame side by side. Your job is to trade this daily trend on H1 time frame. And using Elliott wave theory, there are two possibilities here. First, it can be ABC wave. Second, that these can be 3, 4, 5 impulsive wave. For that, wave 3 has already crossed 100% projection, and it goes 38 or 61. It depends on market FOMO for buying gold. And from current price, if price come back, then using fifth retracement for this third wave only, we will buy retracement. But according to Elliott wave theory, this high near 1786 should not retest. That will be low or fourth wave, then new high fifth wave. But according to that theory, there should be chart pattern in fourth wave. Since trend is super bullish, these insiders are buying for Fed QE monetary policy announcement in 2024. Nobody care for rate cut. Main thing is Fed QE announcement, and that repricing of gold can send up to $5,000. So that trend is just beginning. So when fourth wave end with chart pattern, then we will buy, or if it is a ABC correction wave, then after correction we will use for retracement top to bottom. On H1 you have nothing but support and resistance, breakout, retest, and between support and resistance the triangle chart pattern if you get.